What's up, everybody? This is your boy K Ray back at you again today. So what I'm gonna do today is steak, egg, and cheese bagel breakfast sandwich. That's what I got going on right here. Just a regular Filet Mignon. I'm gonna take that, butterfly, season it up, put it on the grill, and use this bagel, toast it up. Got some cheese, a couple of eggs here. Do a couple of fried eggs over medium, and I'll be using some grape jelly. You know, get that good sweet taste on now. So it's just a breakfast sandwich that I like to eat. It's kind of like the McDonald's, you know, steak, egg, and bacon bagel and cheese. I'm also put some caramelized onions on that as well. So got the big blade out here ready to go to butterfly that filet to get it right, and I'll be back at you in a little bit. Caramelize these onions up and put this steak on the grill and give me a good breakfast. Alright, later. Alright, everybody, I am back. Got my steak on the grill. Get it caramelized on both sides. Put a nice little heaping of K-Ray's rub on now. A little spray so it won't stick. So I'm gonna hit it up, sear it right quick, pop it on the smoker for a few minutes, and I'll be back later. Alright, everybody, I am back, and I got my steak cooked. I actually was able to move it to kind of a little cooler spot right on the firebox, and it's cooking up good. So I think it's about ready to be pulled off. It's about medium. That's the way I like mine. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it off, go back inside, get these eggs and these caramelized onions together, and build this baby. Be back in a minute later. Right, everybody, got the onions going. They caramelizing down, smelling real good. Just hit it with some little olive oil in the bottom of the pan, onions, some black pepper. So when these get ready, I'm gonna pull them, set them to the side, and throw on my egg. I'll be ready to build. I just put my little filet in some foil so it'll stay warm. I'm good. Later. Alright, everybody, I am back. Got the eggs and the onions. They are done. I'm gonna cover them up and set up and get ready to build this sandwich later. Alright, everybody, I'm back. Time to build a sandwich. Got my bagel good and butter toasted. Swiss cheese. Put down one of the eggs. Put down my filet. Throw some caramelized onions on top of that. Throw down one more piece of cheese. Another egg. More caramelized onions. And the grape jelly, of course. Gotta have the grape jelly. We're gonna set the whole thing off right here. Hey, McDonald's got me on this bad boy right here. See how that is? things cut into it. Alright. What you think about that right there? Looks pretty good. See how it tastes. Pretty tasty. Like the smokiness from the grill. Oh yeah. That's a winner right there. All right. This is my breakfast for this morning. So, okay, ready for to get busy on that. And I appreciate everybody stopping by, watching my video, commenting, thumbs up. Definitely love the subscribers. So I'll be putting out some more videos. And until then, everybody have a good one. Later.